Tonight in our series, Desperate for Dollars, the fight for medical research, we head to the largest hospital in the country devoted entirely to clinical research. Proposed budget cuts could cause problems for the National Institutes of Health Clinical Center. But right now, work presses on in more than 1,000 clinical trials there, including many surrounding cancer research. Anchor Janet Roach has the story.
We are the place where those first-in-human kinds of research trials are conducted.
The National Institutes of Health Clinical Center in Bethesda, Maryland. It's the largest hospital in the country devoted entirely to clinical research.
How would you describe just the quantity of trials that are out there?
So today there are between 1,500 and 1,600 active trials here at the clinical center.
Many of us believe that cancer is something that occurs in all of us quite frequently, but we're very fortunate to have this immune system that protects us.
And Dr. Richard Childs in the lab of transplantation immunotherapy says that fact serves as a perfect launching point for research, focusing on those immune cells, natural killer cells as they're called, and turning them into superheroes.
The immune system can surveil this cancer, and when it sees a cell that's behaving irregularly, that's become cancerous, it can kill it at its very early stages. And our laboratory has been trying to study why can these cells that initially kill cancer cells so effectively, why once the cancer becomes established are they less effective in doing that. We have spent a lot of time coming up with ways to potentiate these cells, enhance their ability to kill.
By taking them out of the body and genetically manipulating them before injecting them back in.
So all those little dots?
Yeah, each one of those little dots is a T cell.
The T-cell harvest at Dr. Christian Hendrick's lab can produce an even stronger superhero.
Our main area of interest is these human papillomavirus-induced cancers.
Your T-cells may have a more destructive punch against a cancerous tumor.
Where we would do surgery and operate and remove one of the widespread tumors from patients with cervical cancer.
Okay.
And then we would grow the T cells that were attacking the tumor out of the tumor, grow them up into huge numbers and give them back to the patients. And we had 2 patients whose cancers went away completely.
It's immunotherapy that's working. Trials funded by the National Institutes of Health are conducted all over the country, not just in Maryland. Learn more about the advances in cancer research and what your tax dollars are paying for this Sunday in our half-hour special, Desperate for Dollars, the fight for medical research. Janet Roach, 13 News Now.